Hi friends, in my every video while uploading the theme I used to tell if you are having direct access on your server you can upload the theme directly to your WP content themes folder. So this is being the WP content themes folder, and in my every video I used to say upload the theme directly to your hosting, but I got some comments in my videos that why I am suggesting to upload the theme directly to server and not using the WordPress interface for uploading the theme. However, I am always clear that you can use any of these two methods of uploading theme. Either you can use WordPress interface or you can upload the theme file directly to the server, I mean on hosting and WP content themes folder. But the thing is that the WordPress interface for uploading the theme can be easily used without any trouble, and I always wish to show you the theme file size. This is why I am using the WordPress hosting interface to upload the theme. But thing is that if you are not having access to your cPanel account, I mean you are not if you are not having the access of your cPanel account, and if you are not familiar about the how to use cPanels and how to use FTPs for uploading the things to your server, it might be a trouble for you, and not so many people are having so technical confidence about the using the cPanel account. So this video is about that, how to access the WordPress files without having an access to the cPanel or FTP account. So I repeat, you can access WordPress files without having the FTP access or cPanel access, and yes, you can access all the WordPress files without having this access directly to your server. So in this video we will watch how to access the WordPress files without having the access of your server. For this we are having a very good plugin. This plugin is called File Manager. The File Manager is the plugin which will enable you to access the WordPress files without having access on your server. Let us see how it works. First of all, download the plugin, and even you can search the plugin going into the add new plugin section. You can simply search File Manager here. And this video is going to be very helpful because at any stage you may require to access WordPress files. Due to many reasons you might be needing to access the WordPress files. Just for example, if you want to increase the memory of your WordPress PHP installation, you need to have WP config file. So this is the plugin which is going to help you in this regard, and this plugin has been originally developed by MNDP Sing 287. So remember, this is the plugin. This is called File Manager, and File Manager is the plugin which allows you to edit, delete, upload, download, zip, copy and paste files to the folders directly from the WordPress backend, and you don't need to bother for FTP to manage and move your files from location to location. And this is the most powerful and flexible and easiest WordPress file management solution. So this is very popular and you might not be knowing about this, and let us see how it works. we have already found the plugin, and let us install it first, and I'll show you how to upload the theme or plugin using this file manager. Okay, so this is the installation of my last WordPress theme, which I illustrated in my last video. And let us first reset this installation, and we will just use WP reset for this. And this is not for you, I am going to show you how to use file manager. First I am just resetting the WordPress installation just to make it clear for you, and I'll simply reset the site. And it is also a very useful plugin if you want to. Okay, so it is saying critical error. Oh, unfortunately, but it is not actually. So it comes randomly, but it does not means it is a critical error. So we are back with the WP file manager just installed, and WP reset is already there, so it is not for you. And we are going to explain the file manager features and how to use the file manager for accessing the WordPress files. This is being the file manager which we just installed. And it is saying that okay, so now it is showing all the files of your WordPress installation, and all the files like WP content, WP admin and WP config is really visible here, and we can edit or use all the files here. And like, just in case we want to edit the WP config, just select and edit the file, and just select the file and click on code editor, and the code editor will be visible here. And don't use these credentials because it is just for this installation, and I'm going to delete all this installation. So I'm just showing how to edit the files. This is WP config file, and yes, I'm going to show you how to upload the theme using this file manager. I'm not using the WordPress default theme upload feature, and I'm just opening the WP content folder for you, and you can see all the WP content folders are here. And again, we can go back, go to the WP themes, and now we are at the same place which I always used to show, where you have to upload the theme file. And I'll use a theme file to upload here. So in my next video I'm going to record installation of voice WordPress theme. So wait for my next video, you will see the complete installation process of this theme. I'm just showing how to upload the theme file using the file manager without having access on your server. How you can use this feature to upload the files directly to your server. You are not having FTP access, you are not having cPanel access, but you can access the file and edit the file, upload the file. So I am uploading the theme here, and I'm just looking for the feature where it is. Okay, so new folder and file option is here, and since we are uploading a zip file, so we can select the new file here, and remember you have to be on this location only, as it is in WP content themes folder, and we are here at WP content themes folder, and here is the folder location. So WP content themes folder is here, and we are uploading a file. So it is plain text, CSS or HTML, or if we so this is upload folder option, upload file option is here, and select file, and we have to select the theme file, zip file here, and open it. And now the theme file is being uploaded just in similar manner as we upload through FTP or directly to the WP content themes folder, and it is here now. We have uploaded the theme file simply using the WP File Manager. Now it is here, and now we can extract the file as we need this, and we can use extract files from archive and click on here and click on yes. Now you can see the voice folder is here, in which we got all the theme components as we used to see in another videos. I used to show you we have uploaded the file, and all theme files are here, folders and files are here, and we can go back. It is very simple to use, but it is very important to know how you can access the files. And we are going back. Now you have permission to delete the files as well. Simply delete the zip folder and we can remove it. So theme has been uploaded without having access on the server and without using the FTP account. And now we can go back to the WordPress theme section to see, yes, the file is here. So next process you always know, and in the next video I am going to show how to install the voice WordPress theme, and we will also preview all these options. But here in this video we are only exploring the file manager. So theme has been uploaded, and now I'll show you how to edit the uploaded files. Let us say we need to edit the WP config, and here is the WP config. Let us assume we are going to increase the memory limit of PHP. This is also a very important task we always need to do, and that requires access on your server, or you need to have FTP account access. But with this feature of file manager we can edit the WP config or rest of files as well. So you can even edit the htaccess file. Htaccess is also visible. So these are the most common files which we need to edit during our WordPress website development, and simply click on code editor, and yes, it is available. So I'll increase the PHP memories limit using this feature, and I have opened an article related to this, how to increase the PHP memory limit, and you have to use simply this line: define WP memory 256 M. First I'll show you what memory we are having as at present, so that you may be clear. I'll show you the tools, site health, and info, server, and we have memory limit of 256 M as of now. And just in case, just for example, we need to increase the memory limit, we are using this option. So we have already copied the line of code which we need to put in the WP config, and yes, stop editing. You have to find this line, that's all. Stop editing, happy publishing. You have to put this line here. You can put this line here, simply paste this, and since we are already having 256 M of memory, I'll make it 512 and simply save it. Save and close. Okay, so we just edited. Today 124 AM is the real time. Okay, and now we will check whether it worked or not. Just refresh this page, and again we will check the info, server, and yes, you can see the memory limit is increased. So I just shown you how to edit the WP config file using the file manager. Similar way you can edit any of the file. However, you don't need to edit rest of files, because in certain cases you may require to edit the htaccess and rest of file as well. So we can access all the plugins similarly and upload the plugins. Just we have uploaded the 2 plugins that is visible here. So it is very important, and it is an important feature. You must know about this, that how you can access the files and folders using the WP File Manager plugin and feature. Now let us assume we need to edit something else, and what else you can do, you can open the folder, open in new window, and download the complete folder, preview the folder, upload files to the folder, and you can copy and cut, duplicate and delete the folders and files, and you can even empty the folder and rename the folder, just in case you need to check if there is an error and you need to rename the complete plugin folder. You can simply rename the folder. Just in case you want to rename, just click outside and the plugin folder is renamed. So similarly you can use all these features available, but there are limitations in the free version, so you cannot do all the okay, so something unable to connect the backend. Okay, so it is somehow disconnected, but it does not matter, it is working fine, and we can go back. The error was due to I renamed the plugin folder itself. This is why the plugin stopped working, but you don't do this. In that case you need to have access on your server, so don't edit the complete plugin folder, because you will lose the access of even WP File Manager and it will be a mock for you. So okay, just in case you want to check the plugins, you can rename the internal files. So I'll just show you. It was my bad, in fact. Okay, so we just renamed the WP reset, and now WP reset plugin will not be available. Just for testing purpose, you might be needing this feature, but what you cannot do this and the free version, that you cannot change the file permissions. This is read and write, and you cannot change the permissions because it is a core server thing, and you cannot do this using this. And even in Pro, I am not sure what is available. Let us see. So there might be certain more features, so we don't need this actually. So it is fine, and we access the file which we were intended to, and we have uploaded the theme using this plugin, and we can even edit the files using this file manager option. I hope this video is really helpful for you, and you will certainly need this feature if you are not having access on your server. So just make a note of this. WP File Manager is available, and let us say check what are next features. So I'll show you the rest of features as well. So it is code editor, user restrictions and user role restrictions, front end access, and general code editor. Okay, so you can restrict your users to not to access the file manager, or you can set permissions. So, and you can even set the maximum upload file, and all these features are available. So okay, so this is just a demo screenshot. To getting this, please buy a Pro version. So this is available in Pro version only. Okay, so you can have these features in Pro version, and let us see what preferences say. The root path can be changed here. Okay, and trans and also things. System properties can be seen. Okay, so this is showing the system properties, and logs are here. Again, this is a Pro feature, and backup and restore is here. So file backup. Okay, so this is going to be an important feature. Let us check how it works. Backup is running, database backup is done, plugin backup is done, themes backup is done, uploads. Okay, so it is a great feature. In fact, I forgot to explore this, and randomly I found this feature very useful. So you can use this plugin for backing up. Okay, so backup feature is really good, and you can restore the backup using this feature. So this is going to be an additional feature along with this plugin, so we can restore and delete. Okay, so just in case you want to have. Okay, good. So backup and restore is backup data, uploads, and you can download the backups as well. So just in case you have taken a backup and you want to download the data, and it is being downloaded. Okay, great. So this is again a great feature, and for backup purpose you can use this plugin, and the backup was really simple. So you can use this feature for certain backups like plugins, themes, and overall database backup can be done through here. So again, if you are not having access on your server and you want to take a backup of your website, you can use this backup and restore feature. It is a great feature which had been provided in this theme, and this is of course a free feature, so which I shown you. Let us see in the downloads we are having the backup. Yes, it is backup is here. Let us extract it, and we got all the files of theme. So WP content is here, and so we did not downloaded the content. In fact, we have only downloaded the themes, and the theme is here, so it is great. So for backup purpose it is working good, and backup is simple through this plugin. Okay, great. So I believe you liked this video and it is going to be useful for you, and you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please do subscribe. I'm going to bring another useful utilities for you. Keep watching, keep building wonderful WordPress websites using the features available at WP Themes. Thank you.